Hey guys, what is going on? Today we're gonna be fishing. We're gonna be fishing a couple different creeks, and there's also gonna be a part somewhere in here where I'll end the video. So y'all look out for that. And if y'all tell me down below how many fish we see, I will plan a trip to a big lake, and I'll film everything there, and I'll see what we do. So tell me how many fish were caught, and if you wanna slide up in my email, I'll link that below, and I'll also link my little brother's channel to his channel there, and we'll be uploading some stuff on his channel maybe, and maybe even tomorrow. We don't know yet, and I'll upload a lot to mine this week. This next week I'm not gonna be uploading. I'm gonna try to upload every weekend. But look out during the weeks and kind of check and see, because I might have some. So yeah, y'all watch out for that. So here's the video going on. We are down here by a creek right by my house, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of fishing. I have my fly reel. It is a 7/6 fly rod, and he's using a He's using a 6-foot little Zebco and stuff on a bass reel, and look at him! Look at all the fish. And he's fishing right up in. I'm just gonna set you guys down. I'm just gonna set you guys down for a minute, and I'm gonna get the fishing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, what is going on? I don't know if you guys know, but we're just down here. We've been fishing the same creek that we fish a lot sometimes, and we got a little cooler with us, and got my book bag, and there's me, my brother, and my best friend Caden and his little brother, and we're all down here. Brayden just hooked up on a little brim. We're gonna make a little koi pond with brim. So yeah, let's do this. Caden, you want me to just take this I don't know how strong this is gonna hold because it broke off on me. This foot. The handle. That's gonna have to do for a minute.
Video. First little fish of the day. Bitty pond perch. First fish of the day, little bitty pond perch. Get him some more.
Put him up. That ain't deep enough.
Yeah, you gotta put some more. Take him out of there.
I will. I just came up here to get him in a little bit of water. Hey Bubba, can you hold that with one hand?
What'd she say?
Bring Nene home.
Who?
Bring Nathan home. Yeah, you gotta go home, Oaks. I said.
That'll be deep enough to hold some fish.
No.
You gonna run him home real quick and come back?
Get out of the water.
Yeah, I'll put some. One fish. Don't touch him, Nate. We want to keep him and keep him. We're gonna make a pet. He's gonna be our little pet.
Ow!
A lot of raging going on here. Brayden, did you bounce that on top of the water or down?
It was like kind of middle ways. Stop touching it.
I'm. I'm using a little fly. Yellow chartreuse tail, and he's using a small hook with a piece of bass rubber worm. So yeah, maybe we'll get lucky and hook up on something big or scary, or I might even catch a snake. But I'll update you guys when it's time. Okay, signing off for now. Hey guys, here's an update. We are currently leaving this spot, and I'm just gonna kind of show you guys around. So we were fishing there. That's a pretty deep spot, little shallow spot right there, and they're leaving. But yeah, maybe we'll have some luck some other time. I'm supposed to be going to my grandfather's this next week, staying with him, and maybe I'll get into technique fishing at a place we call Pine Lake here in Mississippi, down there in Braxton, Mississippi. And so currently we are in Florence. So yeah, but this next spot right here where we used to fish. Let me just turn the camera around. Oh God. Mud cat! Mud cat! There's a little mud cat up in here. Can't see him, but there's a little mud cat. And, let's see if we can hook up with something. Let's see if we can hook up. I might have to come out here and set up a little trap. Let me just real. But yeah, so this next week I'm gonna be doing some creek fishing, hopefully with my friend Rayford, and yeah, so that's gonna happen. And yeah, so we just walked through there. This guy's he's a pretty mean guy. I'm not gonna share anybody's address and stuff, but yeah. Oh wait, I almost forgot my skateboard. Yeah, I rode a skateboard down here. Don't judge me. I rode a California, an old 2017 board. So yeah, it's pretty old. But I'm gonna put you guys up until I get on the skateboard, ride back down to my house, and once I get on the board, I will start filming again. So yeah. They think I'm crazy and stupid. Kind of funny, but yeah. As you guys can see, I'm rolling. All the way down. All the way over there. Oh no, that car sitting in their driveway and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop my skateboard off and everything, and put the camera up. Well, I'm gonna kind of walk to their house, and when I get there, I'm gonna put the camera up. So, because it's kind of awkward filming around adults for me, because new and everything. But yeah, here's my house. If you pull up and try to break in Mississippi, we have a policy. You break in, you might not make it out. It's not a threat. It's just a rule my old father goes by. The reason I say old is he's getting pretty old. Yeah, a little ditch right by my house. Big old camper, big old shop, big old four-wheeler. Maybe if I get a mount for this, I can mount on my four-wheeler or get a head mount. Buy a new GoPro. And I don't know. Maybe we'll do some riding, but yeah, this is gonna be a pretty long video for our first video. And you guys might be asking, what's all those people's name you're with? The smallest boy was Nathan, and my friend with the red hat, his name is Caden, and then you have my little brother Braden, who is the smallest one who caught the fish. And then we had a little dog with us, Hershey. Hey Hershey, hey Hershey. Well, He's a stranger poodle, by the way. And yeah, so my four-wheeler back through there. Graphics are gonna be terrible on this little camera, but you know, we're gonna get here, maybe do some secret filming, but we don't know yet. So, shh. Okay, well, signing off. Little update. This is the end of the day. It is 7 o'clock, and we came to another spot from where we caught that last fish, right here. And yeah, well, today was a great day. First time vlogging, getting a new video up on my new channel. Actually, I might do this as a couple videos. I'm not really sure yet. I just might link it part 1, part 2, part 3. I'm not sure, because editing is going to be pretty dang hard right now. The computer I have is not the best. But yeah, let's see. Fish today. First one y'all will see in the first part of the video. And yeah, we caught a second one down back there and stuff, and I caught it on a fly rod. Where's the bait? A little fly rod and a chartreuse thing. And my fly bait had torn up, and all I have is the little feathers. So I'm gonna see how that does in a creek this next week, if I get to go, and hopefully I can meet up with my friend, explain to him that I'm gonna be filming a lot, trying to get my YouTube channel back up. And yeah, so today was a great day. I hope you guys had a great day with me, exploring with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.